Here we deliver the Phase 2 motor apprentices. On completion here, you'll be glad to see that you will actually receive a Level 6 award from QQI, which has carried many a person across the world.
Being part of this program has helped me to improve my skills. I have received extra help to the Learner Support Department.
I train Phase 2 electrical apprentices for this portion of their 4-year apprenticeship. During their apprenticeship here, they're doing craft and theory work. We are training apprentices here because there is such a demand countrywide and worldwide for apprentices, both electrical and other trades.
I started my apprenticeship because after I finished school, I didn't know what I wanted to do and I knew I didn't want to go to college, so I said I'd give this a shot. I only have experience in domestic wiring, so it was interesting to learn about the industrial side of things here in the workshop. I would recommend doing an apprenticeship with GRETB because it really grows your confidence and your skills, and you get a qualification at the end of it.
We carry out Phase 2 apprenticeships in which we will do roofing, joinery, first and second fixing and all the associated theory to do with that. We do this to accommodate the construction industry at the moment, in which there is a huge backlog and a massive need for apprentices in the country at the moment.
Hi, I'm Charlie Connell. I'm a Phase 2 carpentry apprentice at GRETB. I would recommend apprenticeships to anyone who likes learning and working at the same time.
I chose arboriculture because I was working in an office. I was working in finance for about 8 years in Europe, and sitting behind a desk for all day, every day was ratting my brain, so I decided to find something that was a bit more physically demanding, and I followed it from there, finding the course on apprenticeship.ie.
If you want to find out more, visit gretb.ie.
We are Galway and Roscommon Education Training Board.
We are GRETB.
GRETB.